I've never actually done it before, so what is...
I just want you to close your eyes.
Back up, boy. I need some room to work.
Slowly, 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 relax, 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 relax. Feel your body, feel yourself. How you feel?
Bro, I'm speechless. That's crazy. I was disconnected from my body. I was just feeling pure energy just flying through. That's unbelievable, bro. I don't know. Like, it's like energy. Like, as I said, I was disconnected and I was feeling like particles of energy like just flowing through, and like my body was like still. I was disconnected from it, and I was just like, it's as if I was in space somewhat. You know, as if I was in space, like I was like levitating. It was something else, man. It's unbelievable. Trust, I've never felt like that before in my life.
You can close your eyes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you open your eyes. Just slowly feel.
I felt a lot of emotions.
Your tears show me your tears are release. Your tears are this beautiful release of resistance. And you release so much. And what you did just now will give you gifts. So I want you to be proud of yourself. You let yourself be guided. Trusted me. You let yourself be guided through. You can be so proud of yourself. You can be so proud of yourself. You gave yourself a gift. You raised your vibration to a new frequency, and you can never go back. It's not about the understanding, it's about the frequency. So that's beautiful.
Yeah, thank you.
Of course. All right, let's do this.
Okay, just one thing. It's being strange, but for the first time, my body's just shaking. I don't know why.
That's good.
My body just can't stop like shaking.
Let it shake. Okay. I want you to, do you know the word surrender?
I know.
I want you to trust me. I know what I'm talking about. I've done this with many people where they have an incredible relief. They have incredible manifestations the week after. All right. So you should feel lighter. How do you feel? Good?
Fuck, what the fuck? What the fuck, bro? It makes no sense, man.
That's good.
How is this possible? I just don't. It's just amazing. I can't explain it. I felt like I wasn't here. I wasn't in this place. I was so amazing.
Enjoy it. Yeah, I know what I'm doing. So you can just relax. Melt your shoulders down a little bit, like almost like they're melting down like butter, and see if there's still. There's always a degree more to relax though. So see, yeah, perfect. You're doing great. You're doing great. I love that. You're doing amazing. I now want you to do something that you probably have never done before. Keep watching it. If there's laughter, if there's anything, let it happen. If there's emotion, let it happen. If you want to laugh, you laugh. But keep. Come back to your breath. I'm going to count in a second from 3 to 1. You're going to be relaxed and then slowly open your eyes.
That was cool.
Hey, come on. How are you feeling?
I feel good, man.
The laughter is you releasing resistance. So that's amazing. So let it, yes, doing great. Let it laugh, let it feel, give it love. Love that laughter. Tears are coming or laughter, let it laugh. That's amazing. That's going to give you such an opening.
Yeah, that was pretty sweet.
feel that this is like a feeling of aliveness. This is like an energy, and you tapped into it, and you're more aware now. And that awareness gives you more possibilities in life, and you will never be the same. You can't go back. You can't go back, and you will go through life, and you will have these sensations of, oh my God, I know more than I used to know. Possibility, and in the future, I will grow even more.
Yeah.
Give yourself a little time. I'm here with you. Like, don't worry. Like, I'm gonna go a little longer if I have to. I just want you to give yourself a space, because that's a really important experience you're having, and sometimes you need to let your body react to it. You need to give yourself the time to. There's this word. It's like enjoy it, be in it. Enjoy it, let your body react, and let your body feel this new vibration. And just be there for yourself. That's the most important thing. That's where self-love starts. Be there for you right now, because you did something amazing. You went on this journey, you went in this meditation, and something opened in you. So be there for it. Light that you have in you, and that just opened, and be there for it, and love it, and let it react. Doing great. I'm great. I'm excited for you. What's going on with you right now?
I just feel like content.
I love that. So this is you. Okay, this is so important for you to understand. This is more important than anything. You just raised your vibration. You are on a different frequency. On this frequency, new ideas will come to you. New ideas for jobs, new ideas for Instagram, new ideas for women, new ideas for your life. And that can only come if you are on that frequency. And you did that by your focus, and you can do that by yourself. And the most important thing is that you start meditating. Yes, my G, you got it. A little higher so I can see your face. Now I want you to focus on that little tension that might be in between your eyebrows. There's a third eye that people call it. It's like in the middle of your both eyebrows. And I just want you to see it as energy. It might feel like a little tension, but I want you to focus on it. And I want you to separate yourself of it. I just want you to notice it. I want you to watch it. And I want you to see if it changes a little bit. We can do another one sometime where we go deeper, because that wasn't okay. We would have gone even deeper, but so yeah. How did you feel?
I felt my body, bro. Like I felt great. Like the energy, all the energy, and I think I had almost like an epiphany in there too.
I love it.
Like a real epiphany just now. Like it's amazing. You know what I mean? Like because the thoughts came, but they were like my purest thoughts. You know what I mean?
Oh my God, that's beautiful.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes. Purest. Oh my God, that's when that happens. That's even a step further, and people don't know that. That's a step further than being a non-thought. When your purest thoughts come, that's the thoughts of God. That's the thoughts of Source. That's the thoughts of the universe. And those thoughts might give you ideas and inspirations. And when you follow those inspirations, you will have amazing successes.
I felt that, man. I really did, dude.
I want you to know that you have that recording also.
All right.
So just close your eyes, relax. Are you leaned with your back against something?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Time slowly opens and you feel your body, you're still there. It's all active. It's all, wow, everything is here. Life is here. Life is here right now. Life is here right now. The power of now. It's in you. It's all around you. You're connected to it. If you want,
Ooh. Oh yeah, that was a good one. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, I felt like everything. I felt like my body, like I felt like different parts of my body, which was strange. And then I felt like I kind of just felt like an aura, like I felt like an aura around me. Like
I love
felt
it.
sort of like this bubble around me.
I love it.
And yeah, that felt like really good. Like just that like feeling of just
That's
just the
it.
things that like
you don't have to, You
just
can't
all these
explain it.
different things.
It's non-physical. You can't explain non-physical.
It just it is that whole sense of you can't explain it, but you just know that it felt good.
It's
Okay.
gonna be a cool experience, okay?
Okay.
All
I'll
right.
close my eyes.
Yes. Just let your body breathe itself. And it might go a little shallower or it might go faster. It depends on the person. Whatever it does, whatever your breath does, it's going to be different. But whatever, a little bit more awake and then a little bit more refreshed. And then on 1, you're going to open your eyes. It's going to be 5, 3, 2, 1. Slowly open your eyes.
Okay. There was a lot of heat.
Yeah.
A lot of heat. And like palpitations and like areas. And I'm like generally a cold person, but I felt a lot of heat.
I'm a king.